Menteri Rangba ke jela ukan rat ke sangma ulapan pau ya ke jingkeman ke bakrau hadien baulawan banjurip ya ke Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center ke badan Hyderabad ban sakhi markhamat ya ke rukam terekam jong ke center ke bala pau nam hakari habapan pau ya ke ne hadien ke jingjurip Menteri Rangba ulaong ba ke rukam terekam hakani ke center ke penishna ba kumnu ke jingpendan kampura ya ke core technology da ke batrai lang bat kitanat bapher kila ban wan ra ya karukam trekam ka berhenti bat ka ba ajing mentoy bat jing shngan ya ki pat ba ulo ongru bakane ka integrated command and control center ka long kanong muna ka bapaka tam na ka benta ka meghalaya ban buat lang na ka benta ban penchana shushu ya ka jing shakri ya ki pat ba hakini ke jinglet ban sakhi himar khmat ya karukam trekam jangka center Menteri Rangba ula pulut porru ban sngap ya ka jingbatai ka papanya naki officer ki badai pen la ban kedau hangne bahakani ke center baro kishnak trekam ki wan lang hakawai ke shatri la kalong nadu katanat pulit katanat bapet ya ke jingling shop mariang nangta katanat bapet ikilat ai jingya rap bekirki ke cyber security bat kiwe nalor kane ka pet ngoru ling ba ki kor ki bor ya ke ei ka beja hakaleng ki benta jong ka jilla kinthop nadu ka yat ke yang ki kali ki jaka pat ba bat kiwe
Good afternoon, sir. A warm welcome to Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center, sir. This is Vice Sub Inspector, sir. I am
100 cameras we just started. This is much smaller, of course, but we're just starting that. Then we're connecting the different towns now, but we are still struggling with the ownership of who is the nodal, who will take the responsibility. You can. This guy said, no, sir. If you give it to them, then they will not be able to handle the technology part.
Total built-up area is 6.42 lakh square feet, sir. The total building is divided into 5 towers, sir. Namely, tower A, B, C, D, and E, sir. We can see a helicopter on top of tower A, sir. It is tower A. It is made up of 20 floors, sir. On the 20th floor.
Telangana today proudly achieves a response time of just 5 minutes to the 8 minutes, 10 minutes in semi-urban, and 20 minutes in rural, setting.
And your music provides valuable opportunity for sharing experience.
I couldn't spend it the way I'm spending time to actually see, but I'm sitting in commissioner. So we are here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center, and without any doubt, this is most probably one of the best integrated command and control centers in the country, because it's not just the technology that they are using out here, but it is the system that they have developed to really coordinate and really ensure that the aspect of governance is improved and made better by ensuring technology is used, departments coordinate, and the overall services that they want to provide to the people become better. So it's a great example which I think many states should learn, and therefore I have come personally myself to see the work going on here, and I can assure you that we will try to replicate as much as possible from what we have seen here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center, and try to replicate it back in our state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much.